2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Sweet coming out there from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm teaching you guys how to play Human by The Killers on acoustic guitar. Okay, cool. We gotta start with putting a capo on the first fret, please. And this song have a few bar chords, so it's not for beginners. Alright, so let's go over the main verse and chorus chords. And then we have a bridge and we have the outro. Let's go over the main parts first. So we got, they start vamping a little bit in A. And then when he starts singing, we got A major, to C sharp minor, to D major, to A, and then E major, F sharp minor, D, and E. And then the second round for the verse, A major, C sharp, D, and now we're gonna hit the F sharp minor there. And then 2 times on D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's where the chorus kicks in. Alright, let's do that one more time and play it. So, it's a good strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, up. 2, 3, 4. A, C sharp, D major, A major, E major, F sharp minor, D, E. Second round, A, C sharp, D, F sharp minor, D, stay there 2 times, and E, stay there 2 times. Okay, and that's going to take us to the chorus. Chorus starts the same way. A, C sharp minor, D, and A, E, F sharp, D, E. So that's exactly like the first time of the verse. And then second part of the chorus, A major, C sharp, F sharp minor 2 times, B minor, D, and A. Alright, let's play that. 1, 2, chorus. Sharp. That's B. After F sharp, it's B minor, D, and A. Okay, so that's the main part of the song. those two parts there, the verse and the chorus. Second time into the second verse, it's an instrumental part in the beginning before he starts singing again, and that's just like the first part of the verse. C sharp, A, E minor, F sharp, D, and E, and then that repeats when he starts singing. That's the second verse. Okay, so that's a big chunk of the song. Then we have a bridge. After the second chorus. Okay, so that starts on the C sharp minor to D to E, and now we have a fun chord, F diminished. Let's learn that. 3 3 4 4. Okay, from the top of the bridge. C sharp, D, F diminished, F sharp minor, and then D 2 times, E. Okay, that's the bridge. And then we have the breakdown chorus, which is different from the regular chorus. The breakdown chorus starts with, this is towards the end of the song here. So E, D, E major, F sharp 2 times, D, E, C sharp, D, A, C sharp, F sharp. That's when they do that build up in the F sharp there. And that's going to take us to the out chorus. Okay, let's do that breakdown again. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, E, F sharp 2 times. D, E, C sharp, D, A, C sharp, F, build up. And then back to regular chorus. Okay, actually the regular chorus, the outro of the regular chorus changed at the end too, so there's a lot of stuff to remember. It's a good thing to write this down. Let's see. Yeah, so it's a regular chorus 1 time, and then at the very end it goes A, C sharp, D, A, E, F sharp, D, E. Okay, we're almost at the end. A, C sharp, D, F sharp, D, F sharp, E, D, B minor. That's the ending right there. Cool. Alright, let's jam the verse and the chorus one more time, just so we get the main part of the song. 1, 2, 3, 4. First verse. Human by The Killers. Alright, thanks for tuning in. And I'll be back tomorrow with more great songs. Take it easy. Thank you.